In this video, the Warren Fox Group will break down the important skill sets necessary to become a successful investment banker. We believe that being successful within the industry requires a well-rounded skill set, possessing both technical and soft skills. Practitioners should master a few key technical skills, such as Excel proficiency, PowerPoint proficiency, and academic knowledge relative to the capital markets. Practitioners need to possess academic wherewithal in subjects that support deal-making. Such fields include finance, economics, and accounting. In addition to having technical skills, bankers need to possess soft skills necessary to interact with clients and to efficiently manage large, complex processes. A few key soft skills necessary for success include communication skills, teamwork skills, organization skills, and selling skills. The aforementioned skill sets directly correlate with the day-to-day activities that practitioners face throughout each one of their deals. As practitioners progress through their careers, their roles and responsibilities change, and thus their day-to-day activities change as well. The Warren Fox Group believes that technical skills are more relevant earlier in a banker's career. But as bankers achieve more senior positions, soft skills become increasingly more important for success. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below and look out for more introductory videos on banking. Check out the link in our bio and take our free online course if you want to learn more about investment banking.